In the dead of night, I want to live with you. So terrified of the road that takes you. Me too. Don't modify, everyone adores you. At least I do. Right where the blackbird sighs, I look at you. Through and through, yeah. Right where your father died, I hold on to your hand. So terrified of the road that takes you. Well, me too. Don't modify, everyone adores you. At least I do. Everybody has you up on their walls sometimes. Everybody thinks of you when they sleep at night. When I say everybody, I'm actually referring to me. hotel, took a flight through aurora skies. Honestly, I didn't think about how we didn't say goodbye. Just see you very soon. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. So I didn't call you for 16 long days, and I should get a cigarette for so much restraint. No matter how long I resist temptation, I will always lose. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. I've done the math, there's no solution, we'll never last. Why can't I let go of So I broke my promise, called you last night. I shouldn't have, I wouldn't have, if it weren't for the sight of a boy who looked just like you standing out on Melrose Avenue. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you.
I don't know where to put my
funny how they're all the same. It's funny how you always remember, and we've both done it all 100 times before. It's funny how I still forgot. It would be 100 times easier if we were young again. But as it is, and it is, we're just two slow dancers, last ones out. We're two slow dancers, last ones out. Has been slowly pulling us back down. You see it on both our skin. We get a few years and then it wants us back. It would be 100 times easier if we were young again. But as it is, and it is, to think that we could stay the same, to think that we could stay the same, to think that we could stay the same. But we're two slow dancers, last ones out. We're two slow dancers, last ones out. Two slow dancers, last ones I wanna be touched, be loved. I wanna heal, be hugged. It's just the two of us, so that's what we swore. And if I've lost my charm, apologies do no harm, 'cause you got a hold of my heart and I know it's warm. So won't you please spare me indignity, and won't you please give me some decency, and won't you please call it if our time is through, 'cause I know that we fall apart when nothing's new, nothing's new. I want to be close to you, but I don't know what to do, 'cause we're through, it may make it worse. And if I start to grieve, cause it feels you're about to leave, forgive me, I'm not naive, I've been here before. So